Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Danny FX. So I'll be showing you guys a simple analysis I use to catch the market. I'm not giving you guys a signal. I'm also on the journey to become profitable like you guys. So I'll be sharing my own thoughts and experience, a little experience I do have in the market. Then I also love to hear you guys thoughts on what you think it is. So I made a funny video of me analyzing these three pairs yesterday, and no explanation. I just did the video just for fun while music playing on the background. So I kind of cleaned the chart of Euro USD, but actually it's going in my direction. But just that we did not enter the trade. Then this was British pounds, which is GBP JPY. Still kind of, I don't know. Then we look at NAS 100. Yeah, NAS 100 is in profit. I kind of wait for it there as well. I picked the entry. Then we look at gold. I already closed the profit on gold. We already closed the profit on gold. So here I'm using the paper trade for the live stuff. Then you guys know. So this is everything here. So I'm still going to let's look at the Euro USD. And please guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And you know one thing crazy about this trading of stuff is being a student and still trying to balance everything together. That's really hard, like seriously really hard, because when you start trading you got to understand that this 9 to 6 jobs where people when they go to school for does not really catch your attention, but you just have to go it because they say you never know when an opportunity comes knocking. You understand? So before I do analysis, I go to the weekly time frame just to mark the levels. You understand? I come to the weekly time frame to see the levels. So what I did the last time was I marked the key levels where there was a rejection level. You see, there's a rejection level here. You see, there's a lot of rejection level. Now market came back, test it, and keep on pushing up. And there's another rejection level here. I look at the major rejection level. There's also a rejection level at this spot, but I'll not use it. So here now we are still seeing that we are on an uptrend. If we draw our levels like this, you can see that this is a support level. The market tap into the support level and is heading up, and there's also a resistance level like this. So we'll go for the daily time frame, because it's at the daily time frame we are taking our trade from. I mean, we are taking a daily trade from. When I mean a daily trade, the 4 hours, the 30 minutes, the 15 minutes are under the daily. So it's a daily trade. We're going to be taking a daily trade, not a swing trade where we hold the trade overnight, something like that. But there are certain times where the market range, market moves slowly, then maybe we take the trade overnight, something like that. You see. So I was able to spot the level I want to take my trade. These are the daily time frame. So this daily time frame now is what trend is the market. What trend is the market? This was an M pattern. So when it break, we're expected to have like a retest to pull back. But what do we have? A push up. We have a push up, breaking the structure, giving us a high, giving us an uptrend. Then what happened? Suddenly market break structure, giving us a change of character, a break of structure here. Yeah, break of structure here. After change of character, we're having a break of structure at this level that pushes the market down. So let's bring it like this. We have a break of structure at this particular level. So now at this particular level, we are looking at the trade as a downtrend. Here the daily is saying the trade is a downtrend, but the overall is bullish. So for us to be able to pick a bullish trend, we need to have another change of character. So what we'll do, we'll move to the first time frame, because this daily now is already at, look at, it's already at the support level, so we are expecting the market to go up. Look at, we're expecting the market to pull up back. So this kind of trade, I'm looking it as buying position, as a buying position. And if market would close, would go break above this level and close, it's a good sign. Like it will break up and like, let's say we have something like this, market broke out like this, I'm going for it, I'm going for buy. So this is a very good bullish trend. So I'm not going to trade it as bearish, I'm going to trade it as bullish. So let's go to the 4 hours time frame. You can see it now. What pattern do you spot here like this? Like, let's see, what pattern is this? What pattern is this? This is a W pattern, and this is the neckline. So let's say this is not the neckline. We expect market to break out and test. This is what we are expecting to, this is what we are looking at right now. This is what we are looking at. This is the trade we are looking at now. You understand? This is the trade we are looking at right now. So we find a nice pattern. Look at, market is reacting at this level a lot. We take it goes, you can see that market is reacting at this level, at this particular level. So now is, where should we be taking our entry from? Where should we be taking our entry from? Because all our entry is going to be inside the daily time frame. So should we rush to take an entry now, or should we wait for a confirmation before going for a nice trade? Now this is where we should look at trend line. So I'm going to take this trend line and put it from here and take it like this. Looking at this now, we're having a trend line breakout. You understand? The trend line breakout. So I can also adjust this trend line if you guys feel like, okay, why am I using the week? If I still take it like this, I'll still be expecting a trend line breakout. So everything I'm trying to say is we should be expecting to take the trade from this breakout, something like this, or we'll move. Or even if you're not waiting for the retest, even if we're not going to be waiting for the retest, we will join the trade the moment it close above. Our market is going to do a retest a little bit without even expecting to touch the trend, the line. We're going to expect it to like trace bits, then boom, we are in the trend, and this should be a lot of peep move. You understand? This is going to be a lot of peep move. Now what I'm looking at this market is, I'm looking at it to break out right now. We're expecting this market to break out from this level. So I can't say we should be taking the trade from, we should expect the retracement and take a trade from here. No. Do you know why? There's still a rejection level above. Not just one rejection level, two rejection level, which is one, the trend line and the resistance level. Now if market could break this trend line and resistance level, that's a strong confirmation that we are going up. You guys, you understand me, man? That's a very, very strong confirmation. So at for now, let's stop at, I'm not going to, for those who want to go for the 30-minute or 1 hour, you could find your confirmation at 1 hour time frame. Let's look at the 1 hour time frame. At this 1 hour time frame now, some of you can be thinking of taking your confirmation, waiting for markets, because I'm coming. But if you draw something like, look at this now. This is a resistance level that has turned to support. If market could tap now, some of you might want to take the trade from here. But looking at here, we have a major resistance level. So I will not really advise people to take a trade from here, but I expect them to take a trade above. Expecting it to take a trade here above. Then targeting the targeting the highest high of this place. Look, you might hold the trade for so long. So when you hold the trades for so long, always remember to take a partial profit from everything. And guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. My name is Danny FX, your favorite guy.